In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a carousel on Facebook. A Facebook carousel post is a great way to share multiple photos, products, or ideas in a single post that people can swipe through. It's perfect for before and after photos, step-by-step visuals, or showcasing different angles of the same item. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from start to finish, so you can confidently create your own carousel. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into the account or page where you want to publish the post. You can do this on desktop or on mobile, but the options may look a little different depending on which you're using. Once you're on your home feed, look for the area where you normally create a post. This is usually labeled something like "What's on your mind" for personal profiles, or "Create Post" if you're posting as a page. Click or tap into that box to start your new post. Before you add anything else, think about what your carousel is going to be about. Having a clear idea will help you choose the right images and write a caption that ties them all together. Now, add your images. Select Photo Video, then choose multiple images from your device. You'll want at least 2 for it to feel like a proper carousel, but you can usually add several in one post. Try to keep them consistent in style and orientation. For example, if one image is vertical and another is horizontal, they may not look as clean when someone is swiping through. If needed, take a moment to crop or edit them before uploading. Once your images are added, you'll see a preview of how the carousel will appear. You can usually drag or reorder the images here. This is important because the first image is what people will see in their feed. So choose the one that best represents your post as the cover. Then, arrange the rest in the order that makes the most sense for your story or message. Next, write your caption. Use this space to introduce what the viewer is about to see as they swipe. You can briefly explain what the carousel is for, add any important details, and, if appropriate, include a call to action, like "Swipe to see more" or "Check out each step." Finally, review everything one more time. Make sure the images are in the right order, the caption is clear, and the audience or privacy settings are correct. When you're happy with it, go ahead and publish. Your Facebook carousel is now live and ready for your audience to explore.